who had disclosed that Gage had sex with her multiple times while he was on duty as a deputy in York County. The time frame was from October to December of 2017. The woman told Special Agent Wallace that Gage gave her money after having sex with her, and that they had sex on different days and at various locations around York County. And each time they met for sex, he was wearing his uniform and was driving his patrol car. At some point during this time frame, the woman was wanted on an unserved arrest warrant for a larceny charge here in York County. She advised Special Agent Wallace during the investigation that Gage was aware of the arrest warrant because she had talked with him about it. Yet Gage never arrested her on that warrant. The woman's statements were corroborated by a text message exchange between her and Gage. The woman gave SLED permission to download her phone, and those messages were shared with the defense as part of the discovery process. SLED also interviewed a number of witnesses who saw the woman and Gage together and who knew them to be involved in a relationship. SLED also found Gage's DNA on a mattress pad cover in a house where the woman said she'd had sex with Gage during this time frame. His explanation for why he took her there, which he said was something to recover stolen items, was inconsistent with the fact that SLED had found his DNA on that place and time. And Your Honor, this is obviously a pretty serious matter from a public trust and public confidence standpoint at the very least. This is just the kind of behavior that a civilized community cannot tolerate from its law enforcement officers. We expect better from them, and they should rise to a better level of conduct than this. The state is concerned with this type of activity eroding the public trust and public confidence. Thankfully, in my opinion, Mr. Gage was caught early in his career. He had only been a police officer for a short period of time.
Are you guilty of that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand if you don't like my sentence, you have 10 days to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can speak up. I know you're nervous, but you need to speak up for the court, please. Has everything you're telling the court today been the truth?
Yes, sir.
Sea Service Deployment Ribbon, 2 of those, and 2 Iraq Campaign Medals, in addition to Combat Action Ribbons and Good Conduct Medals. However, despite that, Mr. Gage, in the same way he served our country, comes here today and will take his scarlet letter, and we'll move on.
Mr. Gage, is there anything you'd like to say, sir?
No, sir.
I would not speak in this matter due to the fact that it was a negotiated sentence, and I respect that fact. But after working in this courtroom for many years and seeing these types of pleas play out, I take offense to Mr. Merrick's canonization of this defendant. I do not put Mr. Gage in the same category as the other officers who had transgressions years ago. Those officers, to open an old wound, had relationships with each other, not with citizens with active arrest warrants that they paid, known drug users that they paid. And I think it's important to point out that Mr. Gage denied the allegations on a number of occasions. I know the game of a defense attorney defending his client, but don't put Mr. Gage and the other officers who made mistakes. There are mistakes, there's dumb, and then there's very irresponsible, and then there's complete erosion of public trust. I would not put those in the same category. And that's why I felt compelled to speak. Thank you.
Thank you, Sheriff. This charge is misconduct in office. The sentence of the court is Mr. Gage is committed to custody of the South Carolina Department of Corrections for a period of 1 year, provided that upon the service of 1 day, the balance is suspended with probation for 3 years, credit for 1 day already served.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.